I'm sorry.
Pasensya na po.
I'm listening.
Nakikinig ako.
Don't worry.
Huwag kang mag-alala.
I'm interested in this.
Interesado ako dito.
I'm overjoyed.
Tuwang-tuwa ako.
I don't want to do it.
Hindi ko gustong gawin ito.
You are correct.
Tama ka.
It's not difficult.
Hindi mahirap.
I'm very tired.
Pagod na pagod ako.
It's very cold.
Sobrang lamig.
It's very hot.
Ito ay napakainit.
Let's meet today.
Magkita tayo ngayon.
He is very smart.
Napakatalino niya.
She is beautiful.
Siya ay maganda.
I'm feeling lazy.
Tinatamad ako.
I'm feeling sleepy.
Inaantok na ako.
This is really funny.
Ito ay talagang nakakatawa.
I don't understand.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
I made a mistake.
Nagkamali ako.
I'm not interested.
Hindi ako interesado.
Just make sure.
Siguraduhin mo lang.
I just dropped by.
Dumaan lang ako.
I forgot.
Nakalimutan ko.
I don't like it.
Hindi ko gusto.
Hurry up.
Bilisan mo.
I'm leaving now.
Alis na ako ngayon.
Follow for more videos. Thank you for watching.